Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to create this look. This is the makeup I wore just like a week ago, and a lot of you guys requested to recreate this look, so I thought of recreating this look, and you can wear this look to every event you go. This is more sort of a Eid makeup tutorial for you guys, and this is also my everyday go-to makeup look. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching.
First, I'm taking this PAC Studio Derma concealer and concealing my under eyes. And I'm blending my concealer with my Sigma F79 brush. Now I'm going to set my concealed areas with this PAC HD finishing powder in the shade Banana. Next, I'm filling in my brows with this Benefit Cup Brow in the shade 06. Cleaning up my brows with the same concealer. Now taking this PAC Long Lasting Kohl pencil in the shade Coffee Brown, I'm applying that on my upper lash line. For this, you don't need to be precise. Now with the Morphe pencil brush, I'm blending it out. The PAC Kohl pencil is very blendable, and the pencil brush helps to blend it really nicely. Also applying the same Kohl pencil on my lower lash line and again blending it with the Morphe pencil brush. Now taking this Plum Kajal, I'm also applying that on my upper lash line. Be very close to your lash line. Now blending this with my PAC 202 brush. This is a stiffer brush, so this will help to blend it really precisely. I'm also blending that on my lower lash line. Using the same Plum Kajal to tightline my eyes, and also applying that on my lower waterline. Now I'm taking this shade from the Aphrodite palette. You can take whatever brown shade you like. I'm applying that shade on my crease with this PAC 213 brush. This will give some definition to my eyes. Applying the same shade on my lower lash line as well. Now applying Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my top and bottom lashes. For highlighter, I'm going to mix these two highlighter. This is a Maybelline Chrome highlighter, as well as this is MUA Undress Your Skin highlighter. For falsies, I went with Kingdom of Lashes Nikki. For blush, I'm using this Maybelline Color Show blusher in the shade Creamy Cinnamon. Now I'm setting my face with this MAC powder foundation. I'm in the shade NC41. Setting my face with the PAC setting spray. Applying the same highlighter combo. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm using NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. Here I'm applying bindi. You can definitely skip that. You can also go with gold jewelries if you like.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial and this look, and if you did, please comment down below. And this earring and the ring is from Vama. I will mention the link in my description box. They have amazing collection of jewelries, bags and a lot of makeup. This is a very simple and beautiful look, so you can wear this look at any event. It can be a puja, it can be a birthday party, it can be a wedding, anything you like. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care, love you all. Bye guys.